Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Steam saves. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see several menu options there. Click on Library to access your game collection. This is where all your installed and owned games are displayed, and it's the starting point for recovering your saves. Now, here's an important note before we continue. This first method will only work if your Steam games are set to save to Steam Cloud. Steam Cloud is a feature that automatically backs up your game progress to Steam servers. So if this wasn't enabled before your saves were deleted, you'll need to try the alternative method I'll cover later in this tutorial. In the left panel of your library, locate and click on the specific game you want to recover deleted saves for. This will bring up the games page with all its details and launch options. Once you're on the games page, click the play button to launch the game. This step is crucial because it triggers Steam to check for any cloud data associated with that game. Now wait for Steam to check and sync cloud data. You might see a small notification or progress bar indicating that Steam is syncing. If Steam Cloud contains your saves, they should be downloaded automatically during this process. The game will restore your progress without any additional input from you. You can also verify the integrity of game files, which sometimes helps resolve issues with missing or corrupted saves. To do this, right-click on the game in your library, then select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens a window with various settings and information about your game. In the left sidebar of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to file management options for the game. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all the game files and compare them to the original versions on its servers, replacing any missing or corrupted files. This process can take a few minutes depending on the game's size, so be patient while it completes. Alternatively, if you previously created a backup of your Steam games, you can restore your saves from that backup. In the upper left corner, click on Steam to open the main menu, then select Restore Game Backup from the drop-down list. This opens a restoration wizard that will guide you through the process. In the restoration window, click Browse to navigate to your backup location. Find the folder containing your backup files, then click Select Folder to confirm your choice. Once you've selected the correct folder, click Restore. Steam will now extract and reinstall the backed up data, bringing back your saved progress. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your deleted Steam saves using either the Cloud Sync method or your backup files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.